Hi guys! How are you? I'm good. Me too. Okay, today we want going to talk about a pretty happy but very important topic. Sexual harassment in campus and school. You have probably heard about cases like this, right? Yeah, totally. Honestly, sometimes I get really scared reading news about harassment on campus, especially when the perpetrator are people we're just supposed to trust, like the lecturer or seniors. I agree with Nabila. I often wonder, how can a place that's supposed to be a learning environment become unsafe for some people? What's sad is that many victims choose to stay silent because they are afraid they won't be believed or will be blamed. Exactly. Sometimes victims are told to reflect on themselves. They are called very sensitive, but harassment is real and its impact can be very long-lasting. What do you think about cases like this so hard to expose? In my opinion, one reason is the strong culture of victim blaming. Victims are often asked, what were you wearing? What were you wearing? Or why didn't you fight back? But it's not that simple. Plus, the reporting system on campus is often complicated and unclear. Right, Nafila? I also heard from a friend who experienced harassment, but when she went to report it, she was told don't embrace the campus. It is weird, right? Who's really a fault and who's being blamed? It seems educational institutions care more about their reputation than their student safety. Yeah. And sometimes the perpetrators hold position of power, making it even hard for victims to speak up. What do you think about campus hold to prevent this case from happening repeatedly? First, I think there should be clear education about consent and sexual harassment, not just for students, but also for lecturers and staff. Sometimes people don't realize their behavior already count as harassment. Agreed. Also, there should be an easy to access reporting system that truly protects victims. Victims shouldn't become gossip or be intimate. Most importantly, perpetrators must face strict sanction to create their deterrent effect. I also think it's very important to have a counseling service that are friendly to victims. Sometimes victims need a safe place to talk without fear of judgment. And as students, we should support each other, not judge friends who dare to speak out. Absolutely, Tiffany. Sometimes just support from friends can make victims stronger. And I think we should also be brave enough to call out inappropriate behavior, even if it's from our own friends. Yeah, sometimes we think, it's just a joke, but it might already make others uncomfortable. So it's really important to be more sensitive to choose around us. I agree. Hopefully, more campus will become aware and seriously handle this issue. They'll have to keep speaking up so no one become a silent victim anymore. I hope our discussion today can remind us all the safety and comfort on campus is everyone's right. Totally agree. Thanks Tiffany and Nabila for discussing this important topic together. But speaking of campus, I also want to talk about study loans or education loans. It seems this is also a big problem for many students, right? Oh yeah, Nanda, I feel that's a totally important issue. Many friends struggle to pay the tuition fee and the end up bring money from the bank or the institution. But sometimes the interest rate are really confusing. Exactly. I have a friend who has to work 2 part-time jobs just to pay off her student's loan installments. That also makes her stressed and unable to focus on studying. Sometimes I think our education loan system is still not ideal.
Yeah, and what makes it worse is not students fully understand the consequence of these loans. Sometimes they just think, I want to study first, but don't realize they will have to pay back with a quite high interest later.
But in my opinion, the government and campus hold provide clear education about study loans. Students shouldn't get trapped in the debits they can handle. So maybe there should be with their scholarship and financial aid program.
I agree. I also hope there's more flexible loan system like low interest or installments adjusted to the ability to pay after graduation and working. For me, I hope campus can be more transparent about costs and funding options. Sometimes new students are confused about where to start, and that makes them easily stressed.
Yeah, I don't forget financial problem can also affect student mental health. So it's really important to have comprehensive support, not just academic but also financial and psychological.
Exactly. So, besides being brave to talk about sexual harassment, we also have to care about other problems that make students struggle, like study loans.
Agreed.
I hope this discussion can be a reminder for all of us, and also for campus and the government to pay more attention to student conditions.
I mean, thank you so much, Nafila and Nanda, for discussing this important topic together. Hopefully, we can keep being positive and critical voice for change.
Thanks to Divani and Nanda. Let's keep communicating and supporting each other. See you in the next discussion.
Sure. See you, friends. Keep up the spirit for all of us. Bye.